All right, folks, let's talk about managing all of this stuff. So your main page that you land on when you enter Flipgrid is the discussion page. And it's important to remember the word discussion, because once you go into a group or a topic or something like that, you're going to see this, what we call a breadcrumb at the top. And the breadcrumb will lead you back to where you've been before. So if you go, for example, into a topic, you can always find your way back to the page you were before and before that. And discussion is that home page, so you can always get back there just by clicking on that word. Now you can view the list of topics or the list of groups, and from the list of topics, it will tell you which group each one is in, and you can jump straight to that group if you want to. All right. Now, in general, in Flipgrid, you're going to look on the right-hand side for all the action buttons. So you have whether it's active or hidden. This is going to be the case within a group, within a topic, and even within an individual response. You're also going to have the share option. Same thing, within a group, within a topic, within an individual response, and then you're going to have your actions. So your actions for a group include adding co-pilots, setting up group notifications, duplicating it, exporting all the data, and even deletion. And then you always have your pencil on the far right, which lets you edit. Now, if I go into this group and look at a topic, not only do we have all of those things, same stuff over on the right-hand side, but we also have crosshairs, and we can reorder these if we want to reorder the topics within that group. On the left-hand side, we have some additional checkboxes, and you'll see these on topics and on individual responses. And what this does, if you think about this action menu here that you can do in a topic, you can move it, you can export data, etc. You can do the same thing, but to multiple topics at once by selecting multiple boxes. Or if you want to select all of them, you can click the top box and select everything or deselect everything at once. And when you do that, you have an action menu up here, and you can do some of those things for all of them at once. And that's really helpful if you want to freeze the topics or hide them from the students and just then go back one at a time and start revealing them. Once we go into one of these actual discussions and we have people's responses, we also have the checkboxes here on the left with an action menu. We have all the same buttons over here on the right, active and hidden, the ability to share, and our actions. I want to point out that within these actions now, we can download the video, we can download their selfie in particular, and we can add it to the mixtape. So those are all important things. We'll have the crosshairs over here so we can drag and drop and reorder these as we want to. And now we have a little push pin too, so if we want to pin somebody's response to the top, we can do that. Okay. Always up at the top, you'll see your share and your actions button, and you will see your little pencil icon. And again, at the top of the page, you have your breadcrumb to get you back to where you were. And then all of the kind of extra cool tools in Flipgrid that go beyond just regular grids, which you're going to talk about in this course in just a little bit, are going to be linked up at the very, very top.